Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It is inventor time. So what I did is under Google Classroom, I posted up this little video here, or this little material here. So you have your link is here. If you click on this link and you've already set up everything in here, you can just use this link to log back in. When you click on it, after you run through the process, this is what's going to pop up, okay? You can save this link somewhere. You can always come back to Google Classroom and click on that link, whatever you want. So the important thing, and this is to get started, okay? So when you want to get started, here is that same exact link, okay? Now I've already done this process, so I wanted to make sure that it worked. And once I got through it, it worked. And I'm gonna walk you through this just so you guys can see what's going on. So the first thing you wanna do is you go in and you click on the link. It's gonna ask you to sign in, okay? When you sign in, it is extremely important. This is extremely important. I'm going to say it again. This is extremely important. When you log on, you're going to say your student number, and then instead of at fcpsschools.net, you're typing at fcps.edu. You do not have an fcps.edu email. This is for the system. You have to put this. This is very, very important. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your regular logon password. Boop. Right there, regular password after you typed your student ID and fcps.edu. The next thing, you can choose to have it stay signed in. This is not staying signed in to the remote desktop. It is signed into your Google or your FCPS account. Okay, you can choose either one. It doesn't really matter. All right. Then what it's going to do is it's going to come in here and it's going to have this little desktop. This is exactly what I have right here, okay? So you have to go through this step 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get to step 5. Step 5 is right here. You're going to double click on here and now it's going into the remote desktop. So you are now launching into a new computer. Okay, now you're going to type in your student ID. For me, my ID is my PID, or my name and my last name. You're going to have your number here, and you're going to have your regular password. You're not going to put at fcps.edu here. You're not going to put at fcps.edu here. You're going to type your regular password, and you're going to log in. Okay? When it pops up, it will give you an error if you're using your regular computer because, and I want you to see here is the virtual desktop toolbar, okay? Now this is very, 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 very important. This is the toolbar for your computer that you're logged into. This is the toolbar for the computer that you have remote desktoped into. This is not the computer that you're logged into. This is not your physical computer. This is another computer at another location. If you notice, there's a couple things here that are important, okay? Number one is you have a log off button. You need to make sure that when you're done, you log off. Otherwise, you will lose your stuff, and after 90 minutes, it will log you off. So 90 minutes of inactivity, it'll automatically log you off, but you'll lose anything that you didn't save. What you need to do is go over to this PC and look to make sure that you have OneDrive. This is the only place you will be able to save things, okay? This is the OneDrive. Once you click on it, it'll go up here and it'll say OneDrive. This is the only place you can save stuff and recover it, okay? So what you'll see is that you do not have Inventor on your desktop. This is my desktop, okay? So what you have to do is, if your screen doesn't show up this second toolbar here, you have to scroll down, go here, and you're gonna type in Inventor. And you want Inventor Professional 2020 English. So once you click on that, it'll load up. It takes a while. And there it loads. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. And there we go. Here's Inventor. It should open up to this thing here. You want to say start working. And it'll always remember that you're doing that. You won't have to do that again. Okay, there's Inventor. Now I'm going to show you how to log back off. Remember that your screen is changed. You can change the resolution up here by going down to settings and resolution. I'll show you that in a different video. But what you can do now is you come up here, close out of Inventor, go to log off here, boop, and it should log off your machine. Come on. You have to double click, excuse me. And then it logs off your machine and it should come right back to here. And then you're done. All right. There's Inventor.